Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this nice Olympiad mathematics question. We are given that if x plus 1 divided by x is equal to 3, we are asked to find the value of x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 5. And how can we do that? Alright, we are going to apply some logic because we are not going to solve this equation before we substitute in here. Rather, apply our Olympiad standard. I know that if I take x to the power of 2 and I multiply by x to the power of 3, this will give us x to the power of 5 according to one of the laws of indices. Likewise, if I have 1 divided by x squared and I multiply by 1 divided by x to the power of 3, this will give me 1 divided by x to the power of 5. Therefore, if I should square x plus 1 divided by x, I'm going to obtain a term in terms of x to the power of 2 as well as 1 divided by x to the power of 2. The same thing for x plus 1 divided by x to the third power. I must get a term that has a power of 3. Alright, let's do that. So let me start by squaring x plus 1 divided by x. So if we take x plus 1 divided by x and square that, we have to square the other side, which is 3 squared. The left hand side can be expanded as x squared, as the first term squared, plus second term squared, that is 1 divided by x squared, then plus 2 multiplied by the first term multiplied by the second term. If you multiply x by 1 divided by x, that will give us 1, and 1 times 2 will be equal to 2. And this is equal to 9. Once you take this one to the other side, it becomes negative. We have 9 minus 2, which is 7. Hence, x squared plus 1 divided by x squared is nothing but 7. This is one of the equations we need. Then secondly, I would like to cube both sides of the first equation. So we have x plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3. This is the same thing as the right hand side to the power of 3. That is 3 to the power of 3. What you should remember about binomial terms to the power of 3, if you have a plus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 plus 3 multiplied by a b, then multiplied by a plus b. So we can apply the same thing here, where a is x and 1 divided by x is equivalent to b. Therefore, the left hand side of this expression, we take a, we cube it, which is x to the power of 3, plus we take b and cube it, which is 1 divided by x to the power of 3, then plus 3 multiplied by ab. If you take a, you multiply by b, which is x times 1 divided by x, that will give us 1. So this is just 1. Then we multiply by a plus b, that is x plus 1 divided by x. All right. And this is equal to, the right hand side is 3 to the power of 3, which is 27. Remember that this is given from the original equation, x plus 1 divided by x as 3. You can see that here. So we can plug it back. We have x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3 plus 3 times 1 is 3. Then the whole of this is 3, right? This is equal to 27. If you multiply 3 by 3, you're going to get 9. Once you take 9 to the other side, it becomes negative. And 27 minus 9 is 18. So we have x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3 equals 18. Second equation. Let me call this one equation 2 and this one as equation 1. Now let us multiply equation 1 by equation 2. Equation 1 is x squared plus 1 divided by x squared. Equation 2 is x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3. And you have to also multiply their right hand sides. The right hand side of this equation is 7. And the right hand side of this second equation is 18. So let me expand the left hand side. X squared times x to the power of 3 will give us x to the power of 5 plus x squared times this will give us x squared divided by x to the power of 3 plus, take the second term, distribute as well. 1 over x squared times x cubed is x cubed divided by x squared. Then lastly, this time this will give us 1 divided by x to the power of 5. 1 divided by x to the power of 5. And this is equal to 7 times 18, which is 126. We can combine these two together. We have x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 5 plus, I can write this one first, which is equivalent to x, plus this one will give us 1 divided by x, and this is equal to 126. From the first equation, this is equal to 3, remember. So we have x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 5 plus 3 equal to 126. Take this to the other side, it becomes negative. 126 minus 3 is 123. Finally, x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 5 is nothing but 1, 2, 3. And this is just the solution to this problem. X to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 5 is nothing but 123, provided that this particular equation is true. But if you like, you can solve the equation, substitute the value of x into this expression. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.